Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. Man, we're back with another video. We are doing this wall right here, and we are finna free hand. So now guys, we are gonna get right into this. Let's do this, man. So guys, we have two black paints right here. This is what we're gonna do our outline with. So yeah, get this started. Oh, there we go.
No, I'm sturdy like a milli rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers. Money in my pocket. Don't call me a money pocket. Engine get to rocket. It sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah, I still love my baby even when it's toxic. Crazy like she Britney, but no, she don't shade the knock. Russell Wilson way I get low and stay in the pocket. I get paid and do my dance like a touchdown. Yeah, I can't do no time, don't leave that gun around. In my teens, we were acting up and running around. Now we're grown, still get to it if it's necessary. On the ground from January to January. Never met nobody who retired when they were young. So I guess I gotta get it to the cemetery. Getting paid just for rapping is fun. I lit up around a month and never worry. They call dad. Me, I'm the dad in a hat. You just like clubbing and clothes. Me, I like afternoon naps. 3, I be missed for the road. My oldest like counting racks. My middle one, she's in a dirt bike. My youngest is just like a mama. The mama loves me and I love her, so if she wants something, it's never a bother. 3 little ladies, my babies, and 1 on the way. Now I'm stressing my mom. And don't try to play around, don't try to play with them unless you're looking for problems. Said don't try to play around, don't try to play with them. My brothers out with the drama. 4 to 5 nights on the road, counting the days till I'm home. I could do show after show, but nothing is better than home. Driving through nights I'm alone, counting the days till I'm home. I've been on road, I'm on go, but nothing is better than home. Clicking my heels like I'm Dorothy. I need new hobbies, it's boring me. Play all my kids and it's water me. I see new loafers, I'm ordering. I just want socks and stocks. I feel on top of the top.
Hey guys, back here. So we're inside now, and we're going to turn to the handy dandy iPad, because the handy dandy iPad is going to help us with our sketch. So I took a picture outside with my phone, and we're going to transfer, like it's already transferred to my iPad, so you already know how that goes if you have Apple products. But yeah, we are literally going to sketch this on the iPad now, see what colors I want, and then we're going to do it for real. So let's just get to the sketch part. Let's go, let's get it.
Start choosing, start choosing, start choosing. Do it bigger than my foes, all them. I just bought a couple O's just to kill my lows. I've been dipping, I've been sliding, I've been cutting Yes. Got my neighbors staring at me, they think something Ain't no catch, young, getting money now.
Alright guys, it's late, so yeah, we're gonna pick this up tomorrow. You already know how this goes. Alright, peace. Let's see you tomorrow. Back guys, we are back, and it's the next day. We're gonna get back to this painting. I have my paint right here. We're gonna paint it, hand paint it. Got my brushes, as you can see. And you always need like a plate. I had a, what's it called? I don't even know what it's called, but I had the little thingy majigger. I can't think of it. Anyways, man, let's just get started, man.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
I hope you enjoy, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for the next video. Guys, peace.